Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Manaya here and I'm back with another video. So this is my week 3 skincare update. If you've been watching my other 2 videos, you know that I have been using the Mario B skincare line, the acne kit, and because I ran out of a few of the products in that kit, I decided to go to the store and get some more products that are just as similar. So I'm gonna cut to some clips of a video that I made earlier. I'm trying to do this video of me explaining what those products are, and then I'll be right back. There's been a couple of different changes that I did last week. Like in the middle of the week, I started doing some new things because I started to run out of some of the products in that kit. So I decided to go back to the store and get some different Mario B products that do some of the same things. The first thing I got was this acid toner. It is blue. You might not be able to see it because of my blue screen. It pretty much does the same thing as the cucumber lotion. It brightens and balances skin post cleanse. So I just put this on right after I wash my face with the cleanser. Instead of using the cleanser because I ran out of it and they didn't have it at the store, I got the cleansing gel. I wanted to try this because with the other acne facial cleanser, I felt like I was losing a lot of the product putting it in my hands. With this one, it literally squeezes on like that, and I can save so much product. Something that I've always wanted to try from Mario B's line that I heard a lot about, but I didn't know what to think about it. It is the drying lotion. So you basically just put this on after you wash and cleanse. You put this on right before you go to sleep, and it's supposed to target whatever problem you have. You put it right on it, and it's supposed to work its magic through the night. I've actually seen a little bit of a difference using it, so I really like it. And then I'm also using the oil-free moisturizer that came with the kit and the drying cream. I've been using these 2 things. I still really like them. I have a lot of product left, so I was like, let me just continue to use those. I have some clips of when I first tried to record this video, when I first bought these items. So I'm gonna add some of those clips in of just me washing my face with the new products. And then I'm gonna show you guys my side-by-side of my skin from last week and this week. So I'm in the bathroom, and I'm gonna try to take my makeup off with this cleansing gel first. So let's see how well it does, what it looks like. I do find with using the gel, I'm not wasting product. With the other cleanser that I used from the acne kit, I felt like it was just like, the liquid was so slippery that it was like falling through my fingers and into the sink. I felt like I was wasting so much product. With this gel, it's so easy to control how much you use. I love this gel. Patted my face with a towel to keep it damp, and now I'm gonna take my toner, and I know I didn't get any cotton balls yet, so I'm still using toilet paper, but I'm just gonna gently wipe my face just like the instructions say in the acne kit. I'm still gonna be following the process of the acne kit. I'm just gonna be using some different products but from the same line. And as you can see, there's extra makeup on my face that didn't come off with the first wash. So now I'm gonna try the drying lotion. I'm gonna apply this now so that overnight, whatever it's gonna do, it does. It says not to shake the bottle, so I'm just gonna be dabbing, and it comes on, you can barely see it, but it comes on like a pink substance. I'm just gonna dab it. This is really strong. It has a very strong scent to it. That's gonna be my skincare regimen for the next few weeks. I'm gonna be using these products now. I'm also gonna be using some of the things in the acne kit, but I'm gonna be including these products. Quick little view of what my skin is looking like. You kind of can't see it because of the stuff, but you kind of can. Last week I complained a lot about the skincare's bringing out a lot of my impurities, and it made me feel like I was breaking out more than my skin getting better. This week I upped my water intake. I noticed that they got flatter and they're no longer bumps, they're more scars. So I have new scars on my chin from last week being those pimples, but I feel like I see a difference, so I feel like that's all that matters. A big difference in my skin, whether it's how soft it is or how smooth it is. It definitely is transforming. I'm trying to stay a little more patient when it comes to the dark spots, even though that's the main reason for me using it. I am going to be still doing my regular, drinking more water and using the product as much as possible. Did want to add in that I also see a big difference in when I do my makeup. My makeup looks a lot cleaner, a lot smoother. It looks so much better on my face. Like, yeah, you still see some bumps right here, but this, it's just the improvement is just great. I've also seen improvement on how much oil my skin lets out because I've been using this treatment, because I've been using the oil-free moisturizer. I feel like my oil has definitely lightened on my face. I don't find myself trying to powder myself as much as I used to. So, I'll be back to give you guys more details on how my skin improves and how things are going with the skincare products. Subscribe to my channel for more of those videos. I also do hair and makeup, so if you guys are interested in that, to subscribe. Also want to start a new thing where I do monologues because I am an inspiring actress. So I'm gonna do a new thing. I was gonna call it Monologue Monday, but I don't want to be that hard on myself, so I'm just gonna try to do monologues as much as I can, maybe twice a month, 3 times a month. Just try to throw them out there and record myself doing what I love. See you guys in my next video, and peace.